Dear friends, today I am going to show you how to make Hyderabadi style fish curry, that is Telangana style. It's going to be very spicy and tasty. For this, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan that is heated. Into this, I am going to add 2 onions, medium sized onions chopped, and I am going to saute. And I am not going to fry these onions till brown color. I just want them to be transparent, and more than transparent, to that would be turning to the light brown, golden brown color. That's that much. Do not over fry or turn them into brown color. At this stage, I'm adding half spoon turmeric powder and 2 spoons of ginger and garlic paste. Ginger garlic paste, we should fry this until it leaves the raw smell. Already good smell is coming. All the room is filled with wonderful aroma, filled with spices. Yes, at this stage I'm going to add curry leaves. Few curry leaves, and when these curry leaves are fried slightly, this time I'm adding 3 spoons of red chili powder. This curry is of half kg of fish. Okay, so I don't want this red chili powder to be over fried or burnt. I just added it so that nice flavors come out of that red chili powder. Now at this stage I am adding tomato puree. This tomato puree, 2 tomatoes are pureed, just grind it, and now 1.5 spoon of salt, and cook it until the tomato is cooked properly. And as the oil leaves edges, it is a sign of that the puree is cooked properly. Now at this stage I am adding tamarind juice, that is of 1 lemon size tamarind, that is soaked in hot water and juice is extracted, and almost like a half cup of juice has been extracted by adding more water. Now I will cook this for 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes depending, but cook it on a low flame. At this stage I'm adding little jaggery. Jaggery balances the sourness of the tomatoes and also tamarind. I like it very much if jaggery is added. You can also try it, but it is totally optional if you don't like it. But once if you try it, adding little less than half inch of jaggery for half kg of curry. Now this is coriander seeds powder and also methi seeds powder, fenugreek seeds powder. This is 1:2 ratio, 2 spoons of coriander seeds and 1 spoon of methi seeds roasted and powdered. Now I am adding fish, friends, and this time we should adjust the fish. Do not mix it like the way we mix it, mix chicken curry or mutton curry. Just adjust them properly, and now flip them carefully, and just don't mix the way it is mixed in the chicken is mixed or meat curry is mixed. Just like that, be careful, because you can see the fish is already almost like started cooking, it turned its color. So now at this stage you can add a half cup of water at this stage, but I am fine with this because fish is also going to leave some water, little water, so all that will be balanced. But if you feel that it is too thick, you can add half cup of water, half cup to 1 cup of water. Now see, friends, now it is really tasty, looking tasty I mean to say, and the water is also coming out of the fish, and it's mixed with the flavors. At this stage I'm adding coconut powder and also some garam masala. You can if you want to make homemade garam masala, you can post me in the message comment box. See, now I am not mixing with a spoon, I am just adjusting it, and I am very careful while mixing it. I am going to adjust the spices by with the gravy itself, not with the spoon. Just try to adjust, that's it. Do not mix it because the fish piece is already tender and soft, so don't experiment at this stage, then all the curry will be, the piece will be split. So be careful, adjust the garam masala and all that, and then and I'm adding one green chili for flavor. I did not split this green chili, I'm just adding it for a spicy flavor, that's it. I don't want any of the green chili spice to be coming out, so I have added it as whole, and I am just going to leave it for 5 minutes just like that on slow flame. Do not cook it on high flame. Now see, now I'm garnishing it with coriander, and I'll keep little coriander for garnishing too, for at the later stage. Now it's done, friends. Very tasty, it looks yum, it tastes good, and it tastes good with the white rice. Give it a try, enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you.